special series is today's topic. Formulate sum of first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to n. This is sum of first n natural numbers. Formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. Second formula, sum of first n odd natural numbers. That is, first odd natural number is 1, second odd natural number is 3. That is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. up to last odd natural number is 2n minus 1. This is odd natural number is equal to n square. This is formula for sum of first n odd natural numbers. Third formula, sum of squares of first n natural numbers. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. up to n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. Fourth formula, sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. That is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. up to n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. These are very important formulas. Now, from exercise 2.9, first question, find the sum of the following series. First subdivision 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to plus 60. Here, starting number is 1. So, first n natural numbers. Here, given one series is first 60 natural numbers. Here, n is 60. n is equal to 60. Formula, sum of first n natural numbers. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. to n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is formula. Here n is 60. So substitute 60 here. 60 into 60 plus 1 by 2. Now 60 into 60 plus 1 is 61 by 2. Cancel by 2 table. 2 ones are 2 3s are, tag this 0. Now 30 into 61 multiply, 3 ones are 3, 3 6s are 18, tag this 0. This is sum of first and first 60 natural numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to 60 is equal to 1830. This is answer. Now, from exercise 2.9, question number 1, find the sum of following series. Second subdivision 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus etc. up to 96. This is not first n natural numbers. So here 3 table is common. So taking 3 as common. 3 into balance 1 plus from second term 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to here 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are. This is our first n natural numbers. So apply the formula. First sum of first n natural numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is formula. This 3. This is first n natural numbers. First 32 natural numbers is here. So n is 32. So this 3. Now substitute n is 33 into n plus 1 is 32. n is 32 into 32 plus 1 by 2. 3 into 32 into 32 plus 1 is 33 by 2. Cancel by 2 table. 2 ones are balance 1 6. So 3 into 3 16s are 48. Balance 4. 3 16s are 48 plus 4 52. 52 into 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 8, 3 5s are 15. Is this correct answer? The sum of this series.
Pass.
Now from exercise 2.9, question number 1, find the sum of the following series. Third subdivision 51 plus 52 plus 53 plus etc. up to 92. This is not in the form of first n natural numbers. The number starts from 51 plus 52 plus 53 plus etc. up to 92. First rearrange the given series like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to 92. Take first n natural numbers. Take first 92 natural numbers. Then subtract before number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to before 51 50. Listen that. We subtract this series from this series. We will get this required series. Now formula is sigma n. This is first n, sum of first n natural numbers denoted by this symbol. Summation n. Here n is 1 to 92 minus summation n. Here n is 50. So 1 to 50. Substitute formula n into n plus 1 by 2 minus this term n into n plus 1 by 2. Here n is 92 into 92 plus 1 by 2 minus here n is 50. 50 into 50 plus 1 by 2. 92 into 92 plus 1 is 93 by 2 minus 50 into 50 plus 1 is 51 by 2. Cancel by 2 table. So 1 times, 4 times, 6 times. Here 25 times. Subtract the remaining terms. 46 into 93 minus 25 into 51. Multiply 93 into 46. 6 3s are 80. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 1 is 55. 4 3s are 12. 4 9s are 36. 37. 8. 5 plus 2 7. 12. So first bracket answer is 4278. Now multiply by 25 table here. 25 ones are 25. So 5 carry 2. 5 25 is 125. 125 plus 2 127. Now subtract 1275. 3 0 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3003 is our required answer. This is sum of 51 plus 52 plus etc. up to 92 is equal to 3003. The answer. Now from exercise 2.9, first question, find the sum of the following series. Fourth subdivision 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus etc. up to 225. All square terms are given. That is, this series can be written as 1 square plus 4 is 2 square plus 9 is 3 square plus 16 is 4 square etc. up to 225 is 15 square. So find the squares of first 15 terms. We know sum of squares of first n terms is n into sigma n square. Here n is 1 to n to 1 to n. Formula sum of squares of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. In this question, nth term is n is 15. So sigma n square 15 is equal to n is 15. So substitute here 15 into 15 plus 1, 15 plus 1 into 2 into 15, 2 into 15, 2 into 15 plus 1 whole divided by 6. Now simplify brackets 15 into this 15 plus 1 is 16. This bracket 2 15s are 30, 30 plus 1 is 31 whole divided by 6. Cancel by 2 table, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are. By 3 table now, 3 1s are, 3 5s are. Now 5 8s are 40 into this 31. Now multiply by 4 table, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, tag this 0. This is required answer. The sum of 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus etc. up to 225 is 1240. Now from exercise 2.9, question number 1, find the sum of the following series. Fifth subdivision 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square plus etc. up to 21 square. First rearrange the given series. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. up to 21 square. Subtract the unwanted terms 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square. That is 1 square plus 2 square plus etc. up to 5 square. This series is unwanted 1. So now this series is the sum of squares of first n natural numbers. The given series is not in the form of first n squares of sum of squares of first n natural numbers. So here our n is 21. In this series our n is 5. Prepare formula sigma n square 1 to 21 minus sigma n square here 1 to 5. Formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus here also n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Substitute n as 21 here, 21 into 21 plus 1 into 2 into 21, put one bracket like this, plus 1 whole divided by 6 minus here n is 5, 5 into 5 plus 1 into 2 into 5 plus 1 by 6. Now remove the bracket. 21 into 21 plus 1 is 22 into 2 21s are 42, 42 plus 1 is 43 by 6 minus 5 into 6 into 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 is 11 whole divided by 6. Now cancel by 2 table, 2 11s are 22, 2 3s are now by 3 table, 3 1 times, 3 7 times. Here 6 6 we cancel, multiply the remaining terms, 7 11s are 7 into 11 into 43, 11 3s are 33, 11 4s are 44, 44 plus 3 is 47 minus 5 11s are 55. Now multiply, stop. 7 into 4 for 73, 7 3s are 21, 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 2, 51, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 5 is 33 minus 55. Now subtract 3311 minus 55, 6 here. So 3236. Question is 6 square. The sum of 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square etc. up to 21 square is equal to 3256. The answer. Now from exercise 2.9, question number 1, find the sum of the following series. Sixth subdivision, 10 cube plus 11 cube plus 12 cube plus etc. up to 20 cube. Given series is not from first n natural numbers. So we should rearrange the given series like 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. up to 20 cube minus converted to series is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. up to before number of 10 is 9 cube. Here required formula is the sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. So formula is sigma n cube 1 to 20 minus sigma n cube 1 to 9. N cube formula n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Here our n is 20 minus n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Here our n is 9. Substitute n 20, so 20 into 20 plus 1 by 2 the whole square minus here n is 9 into 9 plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Now simplify 20 into 20 plus 1 is 21 by 2 the whole square minus 9 into 9 plus 1 is 10 by 2 the whole square. Now cancel by 2 table, to 1 times, to 10 times, to 1 time, to 5 times. So 2 in 21 into 10 is 210 square minus 9 5s are 45. 45 square. Now 210 whole square is 21 into 21 441. So tag 2 zeros because 210 into 210 21 are 441. Tag these 2 zeros minus 45 into 45 5 5s are 25 5s are 20 4 4s are 16 16 plus 2 80 2025 is 45 square. Now subtract 1 0 0 2 0 2 5 subtract 42,075 is 10 cube plus 11 cube plus etc. up to 20 cube is 42,075. The answer. Now from exercise 2.9, first question. Find the sum of the following series. 7th subdivision 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. up to plus 71. The given series is 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. up to 71. That is for sum of first n odd natural numbers. This formula is n square, but we don't know what is n. N is number of odd natural numbers. So first find T2 minus T1, 3 minus 1 equal to 2. 71 is last term. L is 71. So N formula L minus A by D plus 1. L is 71 minus A is 1 by D is 2 plus 1. 71 minus 1 is 70 by 2 plus 1. Now cancel by 2 table. 1 times 35 times 35 plus 1 is 36. This is our N. Here there are 36 odd natural numbers here. So what is now apply the formula? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. up to 71 is equal to N square. Here our N is 36. So 36 square is 36 into 36. 6 6 are 36. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 3 6 are 18. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 36 square is 1296. 1296. That is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. up to 71 is equal to 1296. The answer. Now from exercise 2.9 question number 2. If 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to k is equal to 325, then find 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. up to k cube. We know what is the formula for first n natural numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to n is n into n plus 1 by 2. Then formula for first cubes of first n natural numbers. Sum of cubes of first n natural numbers is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. up to n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Here given one is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to k is 325. That is k into k plus 1 by 2 is equal to 325. This is given. Want to find 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. up to k cube. That is want to find k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square. We know what is k into k plus 1 by 2 is 325. We want to find this whole square. So substitute the value of k into k plus 1 by 2 is 325 whole square. That only we want to find. So 325 into 325. 5 by 25, 5 to 30. Now 325 into 325 is 1,05,625. That is answer. So answer is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus etc. up to k cube is 1,05,625. Now from exercise 2.9 question number 3. If 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. up to k cube is 44,100. Then find 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to k. Here first write given series 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. up to plus k cube equal to 44,100. That is k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square is 44,100. Now taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. K into k plus 1 by 2 is equal to square root of 44,100. This square will cancel by taking square root. That is, what is square root of 44,100? 441 is 20. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to k terms is equal to 210. This is our required answer. Question is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to k. That is 210. Now from exercise 2.9, question number 4. How many terms on the series 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. up to should be taken to get the sum 14,400? Here n only want to find. What is given? 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. up to n cube is equal to 14,400. That is, write the formula n into n plus 1 by 2 the, here write the cube formula, whole square. N into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to 14,400. How to find n? N is in LHS side. First remove the square. Therefore, by taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. That means the square term we cancel. So n into LHS is n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to root of 14,400. 14,400 is 144 into 100. Square root of 144 is 12. Square root of 100 is 10. So LHS is n into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 12 into 10 is 120. Now transfer this denominator to that side. So n into n plus 1 is equal to 120 into 2. Now multiply. N into n is n square plus n into 1 is n is equal to 2 12s are 24. Transfer this constant term to this side. N square plus n minus 240 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation in terms of n. So solve by factorization. Minus 240. Yeah, coefficient of n is 1. Factors are here minus. This one is plus. So bigger number is plus, smaller number is minus. The factors are factors are 16, 15 are 240. 16 minus 15 is plus 1. So here coefficient is 1 for n square. So leave it. How to write the factor? N plus 16, first factor. Second factor, n minus 15 is equal to 0. That is, n plus 16 is equal to 0 or next bracket, n minus 15 is equal to 0. That is, n is equal to minus 16 or n is equal to 15. Here n is number of terms. Therefore, n cannot be negative. Since n cannot be negative, therefore here n is 15. Therefore here n 15 terms are taken to get the sum of 14,400. So n is 15. From exercise 2.9, question number 5, the sum of cubes of first n natural numbers is 2025. Then find the value of n. What is given? The sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. That is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. up to n cube plus n cube is equal to 2025. This is given. That is, write the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. The whole square is 2025. This is given. Now, how to find n? By taking square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. On both sides. So, this square we cancel. What about RHS? LHS is n into n plus 1 1 by 2 is equal to root of 2025. What is square root of 2025? 5 table, 4 5s are 0, 5 5s are, so again by 5 table, 8 times, 1 times, square number is 9, 9 9s are 81, so 9. For these two 5, 1 5, for these two 9, 1 9, 9 5s are 45. So square root of 2025 is 5 into 9, 45. What about RHS? N into n plus 1 by 2 is equal to 45. What to find n only? So transfer this to that side. Okay, n into n plus 1 is equal to 45 into 2. Now multiply by n square plus n is equal to 245 are 90. Transfer n square plus n minus 90 is equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation in terms of n factorization minus 90. Here coefficient of n is plus 1. So this minus here plus means bigger number only minus smaller number is plus. What is multiplicative factors? 10 9s are 90. Bigger number term is plus, smaller number term is minus. 10 9s are 90. So 10 plus 10 minus 9 is plus 1. So plus into minus minus 10 9s are 90. So this can be written as n plus 10 into n minus 9 is equal to 0. That is n plus 10 equal to 0 or n minus 9 equal to 0. That is n equal to minus 10 or n is equal to plus 9. Since n is number of terms, but n cannot be negative. Since n cannot be negative, therefore n is 9. This is answer. Here number of terms. First n natural numbers. Find the value of n only our question. So n is 9. That is our required answer. Now from exercise 2.9, question number 6. This is very important 5-mark question. A Rekha has 15 square color papers of sizes 10 cm, 11 cm, 12 cm, etc. up to 24 cm. How much area can be decorated with these color papers? Total area can be decorated. Total area can be decorated. Square color papers of size 10 means that area of square is 10 square. First unit, first size is 10 cm. Area of first square is 10 square. Area of second square with 11 cm measure is 11 square, etc. up to third one 12 square, etc. up to 24 square. This is area of first square, second square, third square, etc. up to this is last square. So the total area can be decorated means we should add all areas. First rearrange this series. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. up to 24 square. Subtract before series 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. up to before number of 10 is 9. So 9 square. Formula for sum of squares of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Minus here also sum of squares of first n natural numbers. So formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Here our n is 24 24. Here our n is 9. Substitute n is 24. 24 into 24 plus 1 bracket 2 into n is 2 into 24. Put one bracket for these two numbers plus 1 whole divided by 6 minus here n is 9. So 9 into n plus 1 is 9 plus 1. 2n plus 1 is 2 into 9. So put bracket plus 1 by 6. Now simplify. 24 into 24 plus 1 is 25 into 2 24s are 48. 48 plus 1 is 49 divided by 6. This is first bracket. Second bracket 9 into 9 plus 1 is 10 into 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19 divided by 6. Now cancel by 6 table. 6 1 times 6 4 times are 24. Here 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 10. 2 3s are 6. Now by 2 table 2 1 times 2 5 times. Here 4 25s are 100. 100 into 49 minus here 3 5s are 15. 15 into 9. 100 into 49 is 49. Add this 2 zeros. 15 table 9 15s are 135. 135. 1 15s are 15. 15 plus 13 is 28. Subtract 285 from 4900. 4900 to 85. 5. Here 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. Here 8. 6. 4615. Total area can be decorated. Total area is equal to 4615 centimeter square because area